Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change your name on Threads app. First of all, you can open the Threads application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on edit profile. And after this, you can just simply tap on your name, and here you can see your name is linked to your Instagram account. And if you change your name, you can just simply go to the Instagram, and now you can tap on edit profile, and here you can now tap on name. You can just simply change the name here. After changing the name on Instagram, the name on Threads is automatically changed. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.